ChatGPT is one aspect of AI known as a large language model. It's designed to predict the next best word when responding to a prompt from the user. It's not primarily designed to be a source of all knowledge and consequently frequently has hallucinations, or in other words, makes things up. Unless it's directed to a specific accurate data source, it's not possible to know in advance when these hallucinations will occur, and consequently people should be careful about using ChatGPT as a source of truth when dealing with important issues. It's still very early in the life of ChatGPT, but it's clear that large language models can help by creating more engaging content that can convey financial concepts in a way that's designed to promote good decision making. However, it's not thinking about you when you're not working with it in the way that your financial advisor will be. ChatGPT needs to be prompted. A good advisor will prompt you. ChatGPT tends to be excellent at asking questions. For example, it will provide a comprehensive list of questions for you to ask your financial advisor. An advisor uses judgment. ChatGPT searches for the most suitable next word. Put simply, the advisor is thinking about your situation, drawing on all of their experience and seeking the most appropriate solution. ChatGPT can't do this and will freely admit that when asked. ChatGPT will also remind you that it's not regulated, unlike an advisor. When investing, second-level thinking is key. It's not enough to know something, but you have to understand what other people know and how they view that information. This is known as second-level thinking. ChatGPT does not do this naturally, but instead tends to convey first-level knowledge, which is not sufficient as a basis for investment. The response I received when asking ChatGPT for its view on crypto was pretty similar to Morningstar's, by highlighting the riskiness of crypto and the importance of getting financial advice. However, we differ in that we are more definite in our view because unlike a language model, our analysts and investors exercise judgment backed by our research. A language model is not designed to do this, and to its credit, freely admits this if you ask it. There are already great tools available to assess an investor's risk tolerance that don't require AI. When asked, ChatGPT highlights that it can provide general information, but can't provide personalized advice. This information, such as the importance of having an emergency fund, is useful, but as each person's situation is different, investors are likely to be much better served seeing an advisor rather than using a language model. However, ChatGPT may be a good way for a financial advisor to convey the advice to someone as it writes so well. I recommend that everyone gets an advisor if they can. However, for younger people, this situation tends to be more straightforward, as they like to have fewer assets and fewer liabilities. And so ChatGPT can provide some useful tips. However, these tips are also available from experts online and in the media. Remember that a financial advisor is an expert. They'll understand your situation, they'll be well versed in all of the options, and they'll be highly regulated. And so a financial advisor will always give you that personalized advice to help you reach your goals.
Any advice in this video is general advice prepared by Morningstar without reference to your objectives, financial situation, or needs. You should consider the advice in light of these matters and any relevant product disclosure statement before making any decision to invest.